Did you just put some new rubber on your brand new Ranger Raptor? Or maybe you just leveled it out to get that weird slant out of it? If so, you might have jacked up your ride quality. So in this tutorial today, we're going to go through how you can go through to reset and recalibrate your suspension so you can get your OEM style ride back. So a few things happen when you adjust your ride height, either through a perch collar, a spacer lift, or a bigger wheel and tire setup. Putting bigger wheels and tires on your truck will affect the live valve shock dampening system, and it will also affect your auto leveling headlight system. Some of the unwanted behaviors you could see is weird dampening and erratic ride on-road and off-road, and your headlights won't be leveled correctly to the street. So with the preamble out of the way, let's get into the tutorial and unscrew your ride. You're gonna need three things to get this project started. You're gonna need a OBD2 port for a laptop or a phone. It's either a wired or a wireless setup, a laptop or a phone, and then either download Forscan for the laptop, which can be free, or Forscan Lite for the phone, which does cost. For my install, I used Forscan Lite on my Android phone because I already had an OBD2 wireless connection. It does cost an extra $11, but the simple use made it worth it to me. I'll leave a link to the OBD2 port that I used for my setup. It comes highly reviewed by everyone that's ever done this, and I suggest getting that one if you want to do it the way that I do it. This tutorial is going to go through how to do it on the Lite version of Forscan, but it's going to be very similar on the laptop version. If you're concerned about the laptop version and how to do it, I'm going to leave a link in the description to Goat Off-Road, which gives a very detailed analysis on how to do it via laptop. But should be the same on both. The outcome will be the same, whichever way you decide to go. This is the Forscan website on your phone. Go to Forscan Lite for Android or iOS to purchase the key that you input into the app when prompted. Next, you will grab and install your OBD2 port into the port and make sure it connects to your phone. You'll see this flashing blue light when it's connecting. Get in your truck. You will then start the truck, full ignition, turn the engine on, put the parking brake on, shift to neutral, and then press the M button so that it locks in neutral and turn the car back off. Then you're going to turn your accessories on to get ready for the install phase on Forscan. Now grab your phone. Click the upper right button to connect to your OBD2 device. You'll see in the upper left corner, it will turn green when it's ready. There we are good to go. Next, you're gonna click Service. You're gonna scroll down all the way to Ride Height Calibration. You're going to get prompted that there is a certain process that you do. We have already done that. I have done it with the pressing the pedal 3 times. I don't see a difference. Maybe someone in the description can tell me otherwise. Pick your fuel tank load, and then the process is started. Wait until it finishes. And boom, you're done. That easy. Yep, that's it. It's over. Your truck will ride much better now. Your headlights will work the way that they're supposed to, and everything should be fine. If this was helpful in any way, if you would give me a like and subscribe, we'll keep churning out some content to help everybody out. All right, peace.